This is the CanCam setup video for the Becker vacuum pumps. For the KVT3, in the electrical section, we want to go with the Delta 220. First, set up your 3 hot lines 1, 2, and 3, and then a ground to the lower screw. Next, we move on to the filter assembly. Start wrapping Teflon tape around the elbow connector. Thread that connector into the top of the Becker unit. And then put Teflon tape around the threads. Thread the filter housing onto the elbow. On the remaining connectors, start wrapping Teflon tape around the threads. Insert that connector into the filter housing. Next, put on the supplied vacuum tubing and tighten down the hose clamp. If you need to clean the filter, simply take it out of the housing and blow it off with some compressed air. To access the side filters, take the side panel off. Remove and clean these as necessary as well. For the Becker VTLF2, open up the electrical access panel. You want to set up the Becker in the low voltage configuration. The low voltage setup is with the 3 uprights and the bar across the top. Start Teflon taping the threaded portion of the connector. Screw on the filter to this threaded portion. Next, screw in the yellow connector to the filter housing. Put on the vacuum hosing, and then secure the hose clamp. If you need to clean the filter, undo the latches and take the filter out. Unscrew the thumb screw from the top, and then pull the filter out. Spray it with compressed air to get the dust off. To access the side filter, take the black knobs off of the side housing. As with the other filter, take it off and spray it with compressed air to clean it. To access some of the grease points of the Becker, take the back panel off, and then as per the manual, grease the grease locations. There are also 2 grease locations on the side of the unit. Grease these with the supplied grease gun.